Have a long audio recording but only need a specific section? Use the Audio Cutter tool to quickly trim your audio and save only the important parts. Let's see how it works. Upload the audio file you want to trim.
Welcome back to the podcast. In today's episode, we'll be talking about simple ways to stay productive and focused throughout the day. Let's get started.
Next, adjust the slider or enter specific start and end times to select the section you want to keep. Now, choose the format you want for your output. Then, start the cutting process to remove the unwanted sections and keep only the selected portion. After that, listen to the trimmed audio and confirm that it contains only the section you need.
Welcome back to the podcast. In today's episode, we'll be talking about simple ways.
Once you're happy with the result, save the trimmed audio file to your device and use it in your content.
Welcome back to the podcast. In today's episode, we'll be talking about simple ways to stay productive and focused throughout the day.
Since the tool also supports video files, let's upload a video file next and see how the trimming process works. The tool reads the video file as an audio track, allowing you to trim and edit the sound just like a regular audio file.
Maybe it's your voice.
After uploading, follow the same process used for trimming an audio file. Select the section you want to keep by adjusting the start and end points. Choose an output format and then proceed with cutting the file. After cutting, preview the trimmed output to ensure the selected section is correct, then save or download the final file.
Maybe it's your voice.
And that's how easy it is to cut and trim your audio or video. Start using the Audio Cutter tool now and create clean, ready-to-use clips in seconds.